Samsung has just unveiled the new Galaxy M56, a mid-range smartphone that is often offered as an alternative to the Galaxy A56, only that the M series is generally cheaper. This device combines a slim design, large battery, and commitment to software support that is not so common in the segment. It has a Super AMOLED display of 6.7 inches in its diagonal, with Full HD 120Hz resolution and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, which is outstanding. Additionally, the bezels are about 30% slimmer compared to the last generation, which is greatly appreciated because honestly, Samsung's previous bezels were quite disappointing. On the inside, it operates with the Exynos 1480, meaning it has a processor that's not as powerful as the Galaxy M56. It also comes with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and offers storage options of either 128 or 256GB. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh and it supports 45 watts fast charging. Even with a sufficiently good battery, it maintains a thickness of just 2 millimeters. It excels greatly in that aspect and weighs 180 grams. Interestingly enough, the Galaxy M series has never been known for being particularly thin or very slim, but in this instance it appears that it will indeed stand out for these characteristics. When it comes to cameras, it provides a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, as well as a 2-megapixel macro camera, which is the least appealing, and a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. When it comes to taking selfies and recording videos, it operates on One UI 7, which is built upon the Android 15 platform, a feature that many of us have been eagerly anticipating. Interestingly, Samsung makes a commitment to provide 6 years of operating system updates and security patches. This means support will extend all the way until the year 2031. While the speed of these updates isn't promised, it's still quite a strong commitment, especially when you take into account that in the mid-range segment, most manufacturers only promise updates for up to 4 years at most. This device has been announced in India and will be available in black and light green colors. The base version of 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage has a launch price in that region of 24,999 rupees. That's roughly $300. Higher versions are also available at higher prices. Let me know in the comments what you think of this Galaxy M56 and if you would like to see Samsung launch this model in other regions as well, because the Galaxy M series does tend to have a global distribution. Although it doesn't receive the same level of marketing as the Galaxy series, they are still very good alternatives.